Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Alexa to trigger notifications from Nest cameras. To set up Alexa to trigger notifications from Nest cameras, start by ensuring your Nest cameras are installed and set up properly. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Skills and Games. In the search bar, type Nest and press Enter. Find the Google Nest skill in the search results and select it. Tap on the Enable to Use button to activate the skill. You will be prompted to link your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your Nest cameras. Grant Alexa the necessary permissions to access your Nest camera data. After linking your account, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select the Cameras category to view your connected Nest cameras. Choose the specific Nest camera you want to set notifications for. Tap on Camera Settings for that camera. Look for the Notifications option and select it. Enable the Notifications toggle if it is not already turned on. You may also set specific notification preferences, such as motion alerts. Once configured, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Now, test your setup by triggering your Nest camera. You should receive a notification through Alexa when motion is detected. If all settings are correct, Alexa will announce the notification accordingly. Your Alexa device is now set up to trigger notifications from your Nest cameras. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.